Welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we'll be talking about a New Balance 550, this time in the Lilac Chalk Suede colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. Today, we'll be talking about the New Balance 550 silhouette, this time in the Lilac Chalk Suede color scheme. So we'll go through the overview, jump into size and fit on these, followed by how I styled them, then conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So let's jump right into it. Another great just general release colorway. This is an all over suede textured sneaker, and it is in this beautiful lilac chalk color scheme. So the entirety of the front is in that colorway. We've got simple white laces, an off-white tone underneath the New Balance logo, which is also in that lilac color scheme, as well as the New Balance in 550 up above. And then the base of this tongue is just in a nice classic white colorway with some simplistic white laces. Let's take a look at those details, then move along to the side paneling. All right, so wrapping around to the medial side, we've got the N, which is in a beautiful, just simplistic white colorway. It really pops with that backdrop of the lilac chalk color scheme. Wrapping around to the back, we've got New Balance in the lilac and white colorway. The nice collar up above is in a white color scheme, as well as the lateral side is in that same color texture of the lilac chalk, and the N again is in white. And then we've got 550 in the lilac color scheme, as well as white. The interior is in the lilac colorway, and the New Balance is in white, while the sneaker is completed in a white midsole and a cream outsole. Let's take a look at those last and final details. So this was a women's exclusive, so this only came in women's sizing. So I am a size 9 in women. So I would say if it is in women's sizing, to definitely stick true size. I do have high arch narrow feet, so do take that into consideration when deciding on what size works best for you. All right, so now let's jump into styling. I had really fun coordinating with this beautiful just lilac chalk colorway. So I definitely wanted to play into that color scheme with the first look. So I decided to wear this just nice lilac chalk color scheme for a puffer vest, which I layered on top of a just nice cream button-down jacket. And then for the pants, I wore some pink corduroy pants. I definitely think you can mix and match with this color scheme with pinks and purples, so don't be afraid to do that. second look, I decided to wear a cream puffer vest with a pink sweater turtleneck underneath. So definitely a nice kind of pastel pink color scheme, which I think also just really read quite nicely with this. And then for the bottoms, I decided to wear some wide-legged denim pants. And then for the last and final look, switched up a little bit with some different colors. So I decided to wear a teal color scheme for a sweat suit. So the top and bottom match. And I think that teal really just made this color pop. And then I layered that with a nice trench coat in a khaki colorway. So you let me know down below, what was your favorite look of the three, or how would you style these?
Could have sworn it was real, but with time started doubting myself. I play it on repeat, I would do anything just to turn back time. Memories are faded in the sun. I just wanna feel like when we were young, when we didn't need photographs and nostalgia to bring us back home. Bring me back, rewind. Gotta believe you. Bring me back, rewind. Gotta believe you. Sometimes I can't sleep.
Now let's conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So these retailed at $110 and they are going between $160 to $200, which makes sense since the 550s just seem to be a hot shoe right now and people are definitely wanting to pay resale on these just great GR colorways. All right, everybody, that is it for this unboxing and review. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so much. Hit that subscribe on your way out. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa. We'll catch you on the next episode.